guys, this is the review of Kai's Beyblade A-99 Dranzer G. Kai is one of my favorite characters of the anime, and the Beyblade looks very sick. So here you can see what comes in the box: launcher and the Beyblade, of course. Here you can see the engine gear system, and here you can see some specs of the Beyblade. And here you can see all the parts for the Beyblade and the engine, right spinning engine gear, and here's the specs for it. Here you can see some pictures of the Beyblade in action. And let's get to the unboxing. Here's a little tape, and the other side, of course. Here we go. I bought this Beyblade from eBay, from Korea, I think. Yes, was very lucky to get one. These plastic Beyblades are rare nowadays. Here's some pictures of the, I think, the first Metal Saga series. I'm not familiar with those, I didn't like them. I love these plastic Beyblades. Oh boy, I love these new burst Beyblades. Those are great. So here's red, green launcher, here you can see all the parts. Stickers and the instruction for the Beyblade. This is what is called? I can't remember what bit piece that was. Maybe one of you can tell me. So here's the Dranzer stickers. I was holding them wrong way around because I was focusing on the camera. So these stickers look sick on the Beyblade. One of the best looking Beyblades out there. So here's the instructions. Nothing special in here. Oops. Here's the actual instruction part of the manual. Here you can see how to put the stickers on and how to launch the Beyblade. Yeah. Engine gear system. Wake disc. Base. And the attack ring. So here's all the parts with the stickers on them. The attack ring. Looks very good. Here's the weight disc again. The little booster thingy. And the engine gear and the base. Looking good. So let me construct this Beyblade now. Put the engine gear in the middle. Push these little things to lock this. Put the wake disc and the attack ring on. You gotta twist the attack ring to lock it. So here we go. So I was so happy to get this Beyblade. So sick looking. So here's the Beyblade, and be sure to check out my other unboxing and peace out.